Good afternoon, this is Zach from Voss Motors. This video is for Chuck, just replying to your email with regards to interest in this 2010 Honda VT1300. So I'm going to do a quick little walk around of the bike for you so you can see. Very clean bike. Now, in terms of price and kilometers, we have 3,500 miles. So this bike was an American bike. Also, price is $97.98. Now that is the all-in price. You only have to pay taxes and licensing on top of that. So no extra fees. Bike comes fully certified, fully clean. If you have any other questions, just respond back to my email, and we can go from there. Set up a time to look at it, and yeah, go one step further. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye.